Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change brightness in Windows 11. So first step, you need to search for Microsoft Store, open that, and you need to search for brightness. Okay, once you search that, here you can see different app. You can download any of the one. So let's suppose I download this one, Monitarian, and you need to download this app into your PC. So once you complete that download, you can see in the bottom here an option. So currently you can see that I already have an app. So once you select here, so this is for the volume and this is for the brightness with the sun. So once you scroll here, you can see my brightness goes down and I want full brightness. So this is the process that you need to follow to change brightness in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.